everyone, so this is what happened to our basement. So last Sunday, because of the heavy rain, the sump pump did not work, not able to handle the water, so it's non-stop rain last Sunday. So we already tossed a lot of furnitures. We already moved my stockpile items in our dining area. Good thing the water did not reach those items, so thankful for that. So we have a lot of stuff that we need to toss, those items on the side. This one we still need to move these items, so it's easy to pull this rock because there's a wheel. And then we need to tear apart the carpet. So we tried already, so it's easy to remove. And then this is an old carpet. We have not changed it since we bought this house. And then this one we tried to remove. So this is like a vinyl tile. So we're gonna remove also the side. And then put some chemicals on that to avoid the mold. So it's been so stressful since Sunday. We're cleaning up this stuff. So we have 4 humidifier running. And then the window, we open the window so that there's an airflow. So this table, we need to remove that also. And some of the items we already put here. The water not able to reach this shelving because there is some they put something underneath of that. So we need to clean up also this part. We need to declutter. So that's it, guys.
I sit on it. Get up.
Yeah. So this is what the carpet look like.
Yeah.
So after the flood, so we're gonna remove all the carpet and also this is like a tiles. And we rip off also the board in the side. So we're gonna remove everything also on that side. So we're gonna put those items in the back. Hello everyone, so this is our basement look like now. So the contractor, his staff already removed the wall and also the ceiling. They're gonna replace all the wall. They already put a anti-mold chemical because when we had a flood, there's a lot of mold they found, especially in this area. So they remove it already, they sand it already, everything's gonna be replaced. The tiles been removed already, and this area also, it's kind of dark because they turned off the light, the line of light here for everyone's safety. So our extension is they're gonna clean this thing also and remove the wall and replace it. So I will update you guys once the basement is finished. I cannot comment and go in this area because of the chemicals that I've been using and the dust itself.
Instead of living in a house that we inherited and living in someone else's space, let's make the basement our own. Let's open her up, tear out the walls we don't need so it feels more open and welcome. Put in all the shelving you need for your stuff, Mika's stuff, and my stuff, so that instead of having standalone shelving all over the place, cluttering up all the floor space, we have it nicely tucked into the wall. Expand the bathroom so we can be comfortable in there and not freezing. This thing feels like you're squatting in a porta potty.
Yeah, I have a small powder room
We're
here.
gonna rip out the laundry machine, washer, dryer, and sink. Replace them with brand new. Replace the window makeup broke.
They kick it.
Put in insulation. Replace all the rain vulnerabilities. Open up the unfinished side, and actually finish the whole basement.
Because this is not.
Well, they left this unfinished because of the
Unfinished.
flooding issues. Because they have an inadequate sump pump. They put a 5-gallon bucket in there when this territory requires 30-gallon to do it properly, which is one of 3 things
had
that causes
flood
all the
here.
flooding here.
3
So they're
times,
going
right?
to
3 times we had flood.
Upgrade the sump pump. Well, we
Yeah.
get flooding on the unfinished side every year.
This is small.
So we're going to,
So
they're going to replace that with a 30-gallon tub so that seal off the runoff outside and fix the piping behind the laundry machine to fix the 3 areas that cause flooding in this basement, so that when they finish off the whole basement, there would be no reason for flooding to damage that.
Yeah, and we're thankful to the contractor because they found a lot of problem in this house, and
Now,
they are not adding a lot.
we got paid out for the sump pump failure per our homeowner insurance, but insurance is going to stick us on the construction of the renovations. So that's going to be all out of pocket.
Yeah.
But praise the Lord, the God has provided, and we can cover it.
Yeah, there's a lot of things that need to be done in the basement. So at first, me and Dave removed the carpet and the tiles, but Dave discovered there's mold in the bathroom.
Not just mold, black
Black
mold.
mold.
Cancer-causing, lethal black mold. The kind of stuff that will give you cancer that will kill you, black mold.
That's why it ended up that we hired a contractor, and they ripped off everything out, all the walls, and then they put a chemical, they kill the molds.
Yeah.
So they will remove everything, and they will replace it with brand new wall, ceiling, and also the bathroom. It will be renovated.
Okay.
So these are the
Yeah.
amazing
Right
stuff
here.
that doing the renovation
Go
in
from
our
here back.
basement.
From here
Yeah,
back.
yeah.
Gotcha.
What do you call on that, sir?
This is insulation board.
Yeah.
Insulation board.
Yeah, they will put it
Yeah.
on the wall. And they're cutting it. Have more here and on the other side.
We previously got insulation boards from Lowe's, but on Anthony's advice, we
It's much
returned them
thick.
because ours wasn't mold resistant like these are.
Yeah, so we return it. So they got a lot there at the back.
And like you can even see on the board, it says very high moisture resistance. How they do that is beyond me, but that's what it does.
This is the King Span Green Guard. That's the insulation board that they will use. So here are some of the materials that they will use in the basement. Some of the part there are insulation already. The other side there are insulation also. And then the wood are here. So in this part, right here apart already some of the wall. It's kind of dark here because we don't have, they turned off some of the lights. And here they will extend the powder room. We already have the new vanity. And here, they remove also the wall on the side. So that's Anthony, the boss. And they extending our powder room in our basement. progress in the basement. We're gonna put the wall. They put already some ceiling. They're so fast.
It's like 420.
We have a lot of lights. So here are some progress in our basement. So they already put a new ceiling in this area, and then the light. Put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and they're gonna put more. 3 more here. And also they will put 2 in this area near to the staircase. And then they rip off this part. So they will just put some cover for that. What they call on this area?
Cabinet over to hide
Yeah.
the water pipe. And then you'll have a display case above that.
Yeah. And then in this area, they will put a outlet also. They will put an insulation also, I think, in this area. And then that's the staircase. So it's open already. They will put a new light in this area. There's gonna be an outlet also in this area because
We're gonna put TV.
we're gonna put a TV on that. And then in this area, in the laundry area,
We're gonna do rip out the 3 existing lights here
Yep.
and put in 5 new ones.
so in the laundry area, so they remove already the ceiling and they're gonna replace it. They just need to fix the wiring first. And then in this part, they will put a new outlet for the washing machine and for the dryer. They're gonna fix also the line of the water. And then that cabinet, it need to go. So I already put to marketplace for free. So this area is open already. Gonna fix it also. And once it's finished, the ceiling and then the wall, time that they will put the tiles.